Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr account phone number. Whether you've switched carriers or simply got a new number, keeping your Fiverr account updated ensures you can stay connected and secure. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you'll manage all the important details tied to your Fiverr profile. Now click on Account Security. This section contains all the security features that protect your account, including your phone number verification settings. Once you're in Account Security, look for the phone verification option. Right beside it, you'll see an Edit button, so go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of updating your phone number. At this point, Fiverr will prompt you to answer your security question. This is an important safeguard to ensure that only you can make changes to sensitive account information. Type in your answer carefully and click Continue to move forward. Fiverr takes security seriously, so this extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your old phone number. This confirms that you're the legitimate account holder making the change. Enter your current number exactly as it's registered in the system. Once that's done, you'll see a field where you can type your new phone number. Make sure to enter it accurately, as this will be the number Fiverr uses for all future verifications and communications. After entering your new number, Fiverr will ask you to select a verification method. You'll have two options here: verify by text or verify by call. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. If you select Verify by Text, Fiverr will send a code via SMS to your new number. If you choose Verify by Call, you'll receive an automated call with the code. Both methods are quick and straightforward. Once you've selected your preferred method, Fiverr will send the verification code to your new number. Check your phone for the message or listen carefully if you chose the call option. Then type the code into the verification field on Fiverr. This confirms that you have access to the new number and completes the update process. Your account is now linked to your new phone number, keeping everything secure and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Fiverr account phone number. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.